If you're thinking about upgrading your home cleaning setup, now's the perfect time because iRobot has released some of the smartest, most powerful robot vacuums we've ever seen. By the way, if you're into real, tested tech reviews that help you actually decide, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I keep it honest, sharp, and straight to the point. Let's get started kicking things off with number 6. Number 6. Roomba J9 Combo. Starting off this countdown is the Roomba J9 Combo. A solid step into high-end smart cleaning without diving all the way into flagship pricing. It's not the newest release in iRobot's 2025 lineup, but it still packs some serious features that can make your daily cleaning routine effortless and impressively hands-free. The J9 Combo combines powerful vacuuming with real mopping capability, and it's not just dragging around a damp pad. This model features a retractable mop arm that intelligently lifts when carpets are detected, so your rugs don't get soaked. It delivers strong suction for picking up pet hair, crumbs, and fine debris across both hard floors and carpets. If your home needs a dual-function bot that won't miss corners or make a mess, this one is a worthy contender. Now, let's talk navigation. The J9 Combo comes with precision vision navigation, powered by iRobot's most advanced obstacle recognition system. It can detect and avoid common messes like power cords, shoes, pet waste, and more. No more stopping the cycle to rescue your robot. It also learns your home layout, suggests cleaning zones, and even adapts to seasonal messes over time. One of its standout features is the Clean Base AutoEmpty dock. This dock allows the J9 to automatically empty its dustbin after each run into a sealed bag that holds up to 60 days worth of debris. This means minimal interaction from you, especially useful if you're someone who doesn't want to babysit your robot every day. The device is powered by iRobot OS, offering thoughtful customizations like clean the kitchen after dinner routines or location-based, starts using your phone's GPS. And yes, it integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, so you can control it with just your voice. It's also compatible with the latest Matter Smart Home standard. Battery life is solid. You get enough runtime for medium to large-sized homes, and it will recharge and resume cleaning if needed. The iRobot Home app is clean, user-friendly, and gets better with updates, providing full control over mapping, scheduling, and mop vacuum settings. Who's it for? This model is best for users who want reliable dual cleaning vacuum plus mop in a well-built, well-supported system without going all the way up the price ladder. It's ideal for pet owners, busy households, or anyone wanting strong automation in a premium-looking device. Bottom line, the Roomba J9 Combo blends strong suction, smart navigation, and worry-free mop lifting in a robot that still keeps things simple. It's not the flashiest in iRobot's lineup, but it's definitely one of the most dependable and versatile to start this list. Number 5. Roomba 105 Combo Plus AutoEmpty. Dock sliding into the number 5 spot is the Roomba 105 Combo, a budget-friendly robot vacuum that doesn't cut corners when it comes to essential smart features. It's iRobot's most accessible vacuum mop hybrid right now. And while it skips some premium bells and whistles, it still delivers solid performance, day-to-day reliability, and automated dust disposal at a price that makes sense. At its core, the 105 Combo offers a straightforward but effective 2-in-1 cleaning solution. The vacuum handles daily dirt, pet hair, and crumbs on both carpets and hard floors with iRobot's tried-and-true multi-surface brush system. Meanwhile, the mop attachment gently wipes hard floors using a damp pad perfect for light spills, dust buildup, or freshening up your kitchen or bathroom without going full industrial cleaner. One of its biggest advantages is the inclusion of the AutoEmpty dock, a feature rarely found at this price point. After each cleaning run, the 105 automatically returns to the dock and empties its onboard dustbin into a disposable bag that holds up to 60 days of dirt. This means you don't have to worry about daily maintenance or constantly dumping a tiny bin. It just does the job and resets itself for the next cycle. While it doesn't have advanced object recognition or LiDAR, it still navigates efficiently using iRobot's reliable floor tracking sensors. It can handle multiple rooms, avoid stairs, and intelligently return to its base when it's time to recharge. The 105 Combo also supports voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can kick off a cleaning run without even touching your phone. Another plus? It works seamlessly with the iRobot Home app, where you can create schedules, choose cleaning modes, and adjust mop usage. The setup is simple, and the app interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it ideal for users who want a no-fuss smart vacuum that doesn't require hours of setup or tweaking. Who's it for? The 105 Combo is great for small apartments, first-time robot vacuum buyers, or anyone looking for an affordable entry into the automated cleaning world. If you're tired of sweeping every night and want something reliable that doesn't break the bank, this is a smart pick. Bottom line, the Roomba 105 Combo Plus AutoEmpty dock offers surprisingly strong value for its price. It may not have advanced AI or mop lifting tech, but for basic daily cleaning with hands-free bin emptying, it punches well above its weight. It's the perfect way to start automating your cleaning routine without overthinking it. Number 4. Roomba Plus 405 Combo Plus AutoWash dock. At number 4, we've got the Roomba Plus 405 Combo, a mid-range robot vacuum that brings together premium features at an affordable price point, offering a taste of full automation without diving into ultra-high-end territory. If you're looking for a hybrid vacuum mop robot that doesn't skimp on the essentials and keeps things clean with minimal effort, the 405 Combo might be your sweet spot. First, the basics. The 405 is equipped with iRobot's dependable dual multi-surface rubber brushes and edge-sweeping side brush, making it ideal for pulling up everything from fine dust to pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. Its suction isn't the strongest in the lineup, but it's more than capable for daily upkeep and light messes. Where the 405 steps up is in its mopping capabilities. Unlike budget models that simply drag a wet cloth, the 405 Combo features a retractable mop that engages only when needed, protecting your rugs and adapting its cleaning behavior as it moves across different surfaces. The mop pads are washable and reusable, and the included AutoWash and dock automatically cleans and dries them after every session. That means no more smelly pads or awkward hand washing, it's all handled for you. Navigation is handled by precision LiDAR, allowing the robot to create smart maps of your home and follow efficient, logical cleaning routes. It avoids obstacles, recognizes rooms, and supports custom cleaning routines through the iRobot Home app. You can set it to clean specific rooms at certain times or even target high traffic areas when you're out of the house. Another win? The dock also handles automatic water refills, so the mop is always ready. Combined with the mop cleaning cycle, this makes the 405 Combo one of the most hands-off models in its price tier. And if you're part of the smart home crowd, you'll appreciate full integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Matter compatibility, letting you tie it into your broader home automation setup with ease. Who's it for? Perfect for families or individuals who want automated vacuuming and mopping in one compact system. If you want more than entry-level functionality but don't need pro-grade AI or live video, the 405 Combo is a practical, polished choice. Bottom line, the Roomba Plus 405 Combo offers impressive smart cleaning for the price. It's a step above basic models thanks to its self-cleaning mop dock, LiDAR navigation, and thoughtful automation, making it a perfect balance of convenience and value. If you've made it this far into the countdown and you're enjoying the breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more clean, honest reviews, just like this every week. Number 3. Roomba Max 705 Vac Plus AutoEmpty. Dock at number 3 is the Roomba Max 705 Vac, a robot vacuum that stands out by going all in on one thing: powerful, reliable vacuuming without the extra fluff. If mopping isn't on your must-have list, but you're looking for a high-capacity, low-maintenance cleaning beast that takes vacuuming to the next level, this model absolutely deserves a spot on your radar. The Max 705 is all about suction and endurance. It features a newly tuned high-efficiency motor that delivers a serious boost in airflow, making it ideal for homes with heavy foot traffic, pets, or high-shedding rugs. Whether you're dealing with crumbs, sand, dust bunnies, or deeply embedded debris, The 705 vac powers through with minimal need for multiple passes. Its dual multi-surface rubber brushes agitate and lift dirt efficiently without getting tangled in hair, a common issue in cheaper units. The headline feature here is the AutoEmpty dock, which allows the robot to offload debris into a sealed bag inside the base after each cleaning session. That means you can go up to 75 days, nearly 2.5 months without having to touch a dustbin. For busy households or anyone tired of daily emptying, this is a massive convenience upgrade. And yes, the dock is smart enough to monitor bin capacity and notify you when a bag change is needed. Navigation is handled by a refined combination of reactive sensors and dirt detection algorithms. While it lacks LiDAR or advanced camera-based object recognition, it still gets the job done with strong logic-based pathing and iRobot's tried-and-true adaptive cleaning technology. It won't map your home in 3D, but it will prioritize dirtier areas and adjust suction as needed, which is exactly what most people need for daily vacuuming. Setup and scheduling are done through the iRobot Home app, which is clean and responsive. You can set custom routines, schedule daily cleanings, or use voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. The Max 705 doesn't aim to be a smart home hub, but it slides perfectly into one if you want it to. Who's it for? This model is ideal for those who want maximum vacuuming efficiency, minimal upkeep, and don't necessarily need the mopping function. Pet owners, allergy sufferers, or anyone living in a high-dust environment will appreciate its raw cleaning performance and low-maintenance workflow. Bottom line, the Roomba Max 705 Vac is a vacuum-first robot that gets right to the point deep cleaning with zero daily hassle. With strong suction, hair-resistant brushes, and an auto-empty dock that gives you true set-it-and-forget-it convenience, it's a workhorse that earns its place in the top 3. Number 2. Roomba Plus 505 Combo Plus AutoWash. Dock, taking the second spot, is the Roomba Plus 505 Combo, a smart, sleek, and super capable robot that strikes a near-perfect balance between advanced automation and reliable everyday cleaning. If you've been waiting for a well-priced all-in-one robot vacuum and mop that doesn't cut corners, the 505 Combo hits that sweet spot. Let's start with its cleaning system. This model features Roomba's updated dual-function combo design, meaning it vacuums and mops at the same time, without sacrificing efficiency in either mode. With strong suction optimized for multi-surface cleaning, the Plus 505 handles everything from fine dust on hardwood to crumbs embedded in low-pile carpet. Its dual rotating mop pads apply steady pressure and spin for an even, streak-free finish on hard floors, making mopping feel less like a gimmick and more like a real cleaning solution. What really sets this unit apart is the LiDAR-based navigation system. You get precise, fast mapping of your entire home, allowing for accurate zone cleaning, customized routines, and targeted passes. Want it to clean just the kitchen after dinner? Easy. Avoid the toy-littered playroom? Done. This level of control makes a huge difference in how useful and efficient the robot feels on a daily basis. The AutoWash dock is where it steps up further. After every cleaning run, the dock automatically washes the mop pads with clean water, dries them with warm air to prevent mold, and charges the robot. This keeps your device fresh and ready to go, no damp, smelly mop cloths to deal with. Combined with auto-empty dustbin functionality and low-maintenance design, it gives you the kind of hands-off experience that premium users expect. Smart home compatibility? Check. The Plus 505 supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and the latest Matter standard, meaning it integrates smoothly into your home's automation routines. You can set voice commands, triggers, or simply use the iRobot app to handle everything from anywhere. Who's it for? The Roomba Plus 505 Combo is ideal for modern families, busy professionals, or anyone who wants advanced cleaning power with zero micromanagement. It's smart enough to plan, strong enough to clean, and hands-free enough to forget it's even working. Bottom line, with reliable vacuuming, effective mopping, intelligent mapping, and a self-maintaining dock, the 505 Combo is one of the most complete robots on the market right now, and it comfortably earns the runner-up spot in this year's lineup. If you're enjoying this countdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button, and subscribe if you want more no-fluff reviews like this, every week. And finally, my number one pick, Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus AutoWash Dock. And finally, topping off this list is the Roomba Combo 10 Max paired with the AutoWash Dock. If you're looking for the most complete, intelligent, and truly hands-free cleaning experience you can get right now, this is it. It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new level of automation that sets a new benchmark for robotic home cleaning. Starting with its performance, the 10 Max offers high-efficiency vacuuming with powerful suction that picks up dust, pet hair, and debris in a single pass. Its mop system is equally impressive, featuring dual rotating mop pads that apply constant pressure and spin to break down stubborn grime. And with automatic mop lifting when carpets are detected, it seamlessly transitions between floor types without leaving wet spots behind. The magic happens when it returns to its AutoWash dock. This isn't just a charging station, it's a full-service cleaning hub. The dock washes and hot air dries the mop pads, refills the clean water tank, empties the dustbin, and sanitizes everything. You can literally go weeks without lifting a finger while your vacuum stays fresh and ready. Navigation is powered by iRobot's most advanced system yet, using smart LiDAR-based mapping and real-time object detection. The 10 Max moves with precision around furniture, pet bowls, and random clutter. You can set custom zones, schedule room-by-room cleaning, and even tell it to avoid specific areas during nap time or study hours, all from the clean, easy-to-use iRobot app. What really sets this model apart is how it integrates into your home. It supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and the Matter Smart Home Standard, so you can trigger cleanings with your voice or tie it into your home routines. Heading out for work? The 10 Max can start a full cleaning cycle the moment you lock the door. Battery life. Expect up to 180 minutes of runtime, plus smart recharge and resume capabilities that ensure your whole house gets cleaned, no matter the size. And yes, it speaks too with voice notifications that make it feel more like a helper than a machine. Who's it for? This model is made for people who want the absolute best. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just crave a spotless home without the effort, the Combo 10 Max delivers top-tier cleaning, automation, and peace of mind. Bottom line, the Roomba Combo 10 Max with AutoWash Dock is iRobot's smartest and most complete robot vacuum yet. It doesn't just clean your floors, it cleans itself, learns your home, and makes cleaning effortless. If you want full-on, no-compromise smart home cleaning, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.